Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today in this video I will show you to scan QR codes and save this data in the Google Sheet automatically. I can use any device like a mobile phone or computer, but when a QR code is scanned, then this result will be saved automatically in the Google Sheet. Now at first I will show you how it is working, then I will tell you how you can do this. First, right now I am using my phone. You can see whenever I scanned a QR code, then automatically this data has appeared in the Google Sheet one after one. It is working and okay. So now let's move on to the next part of this video where I will show you how I did this. First I will clear the previous data, then I will go to extensions to app script. Now I open Google App Script Code Editor. First I will create here a script file. I will give it a name, main, and then ready-made script. I will copy it. This is the source code, and then I will paste it here. Now let's save it. I'll go at top, and this is a GitHub page link. I will copy it, and this link will remain same all the time. And now I'll go to the browser. I will paste it. Now here you can see it is saying to insert a Google Web App link. So now I'll follow some steps to create Google Web App link. It means I will deploy the script. From the drop down I will select anyone, then from here I will copy the web app URL. Now I will paste it here, then I will click on save, and from this drop down I will select no, I don't want any kind of duplicate data. Now I will start to scan. Basically my web camera is very bad, its quality is not good, so it will not scan each and every QR codes. Still but if I use mobile phone it will work absolutely perfect. Okay, now okay, that's all. Now let's go back to the Google Sheet. You can see all these QR codes that appeared. Now anyway, if you need this Google Sheet or the source codes, to contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given in the description box and also in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.